Hello friends, welcome to the channel. As of now, we have used existing AMI machines from the AWS console to launch our EC2 instances like Linux, Mac or Windows AMI. But this time we are going to create our own custom AMI machine from the existing EC2 instances, and then later we will be using that custom AMI to launch new EC2 instances with same configuration and same installation. So let's start. For this, we will be launching our EC2 instance with the Apache server to run a bash script like we have done in the earlier practicals, and this time we will be using this EC2 instance to create a custom AMI, means Amazon machine image of this EC2 instance, and later we will be using this custom AMI to launch further machines. And all those machines are also going to have the same bash script running initially on their launch. So let's start and see how it works. Log into your AWS console and just quickly launch an EC2 instance. Launch instance. Give it a name. And then select the existing AMI because we are launching the first instance for which we will be creating further custom AMI. So this time I am selecting Amazon Linux, and then select the instance type as t2.micro, and I am also going to select a key pair that I had already created, and auto assign public IP should be enabled. Next, we are not selecting any existing group, so it will create a new security group and will name it as Launch Wizard 10, and this time it will allow SSH traffic and also the HTTP traffic because we need to connect to our instance to run that bash script. So we will be allowing HTTP and SSH traffic for our instance, and these two inbound rules will be set with this security group that is associated with our instance within the same VPC. So let's start with the next process. Here with the advanced detail, we need to add bash script to our user data like we have done earlier as well. Now next, paste the bash script in the user data, and this will update the operating system and install the Apache server as we have done earlier as well, and run a small script to create index.html and also start the service. And next we need to launch the instance. The instance has successfully launched. Its state is pending, so let's refresh and check the details. So now it is running, and here is the public IP of our server. So let's copy it as we have allowed the HTTP traffic. So just copy this public IP address and paste it into the new tab. And here our page is running. So let's start with the process of creating the image. For this, select your instance for which you want to create AMI and click on Actions, Image and Templates, and next option is Create Image. Just click on Create Image, give the name, and also give the description. I am giving the same, and here it will be stored in EBS volume, so no change for details. We are tagging the image and snapshot together, and next step is to click on Create Image. Image is created and it's running as well. So let's use this image to launch new EC2 instances. Just click on the image, then launch instance, and give the name of instance as I am giving web1, and this time don't go for existing AMIs. This time you have to select your custom AMI. So click on my AMI, and here I have only one AMI running, so it is showing demo AMI that I had just created, and instance type you can select as free tier t2.micro. Key pair you need to select for the connect. And next, if you are not selecting any existing group, it will create a new group with the name Launch Wizard 11 with allowing the SSH traffic, and we also want to allow the HTTP traffic. So just select these two rules for the inbound traffic rule of your new security group. And we are not going to add any script because we are expecting to run the same script as our AMI. So launch instance. Now our instance is launched successfully from the custom AMI. So let's go to the instance and check for the page or bash script whether it is running the same script or not. So this time I'm selecting the instance that I had created with the AMI, custom AMI, and this is running now. So just select the instance and check the public IP as we have allowed the HTTP traffic. So copy this public IP of your new instance and paste it into the new tab. So here it is running the same page as the initial instance from which we had created the custom AMI. So in this way you can create as many instances from the existing instance as required. So that's it for this video. Hope you have learned something. Happy learning. Bye.